Hello, sir. It's Muhammad Ali, the CEO of AliWave Digital Solution, and I am Google Policy Specialist, especially working for Google as Suspension and Google as Disapproved. Today, I am going to discuss about unreliable claim. You know that in some time Google has got disapproved for unreliable claim, and today I am going to show you a successful project of my recent client that I successfully working on it. And if you check that appeal history, you can see that there is unreliable claim and it was failed. Okay, so this client hired me and I'm working on this case, and if you see in the policy issue, now there is no issue. Okay, now I fix it, and if I check the campaign, you can see it's eligible, right? And it's start to working impression. Okay, so this was my recent case of my Google ads disapprove issue for unreliable claim. And let's discuss about on this point that you know that in some cases, if we claim about a health or with sector, advertising sector, in some cases where try to run health related Google Ads campaign or with related Google Ads campaign. And also in some cases we also we have that kind of website where we provide services for financial product, right? And some social issue or political. So when we are going to advertising, then Google direct disapprove our ads be like this. Then you know that we cannot run our ads. So this is, you know, there is a great loss for us. If you see that today is 10 November, if I show you these 2 days, you can see now it's running. Okay, and it start to get conversion. And if I check you this mail, then you can see that this 531 okay, 503 503. Okay, so 2 hours ago Google replied me, and see that you can see that upon review your account, I'm happy to inform you that the ads are fully eligible to run. Okay, so you know that we successfully working on this issue. And if you see that disapproved due to multiple policy issue related to unreliable claim content, so I have reviewed your ads and blah blah blah. Okay, so this is my another successful cases for today. I hope if you face any issue, we are marketing agency and we are always ready to help you for working on your case. And we already fix you know that lots of Google has disapprove issue in this sector. So if you face this type of issue, don't hesitate, contact us, our agency AliWave Digital Solution. And you can also contact us through our Facebook page or WhatsApp or mail. Okay, so whatever you think best for you, you can knock us. So thank you.